Next project. So I'm just about to start this tzr250 I've already done mine. Obviously I did mine the black Archive colours, the Barry Sheen Archive colours. This one is going to also be done in Archive colours, but it's going to be the white one. So this will be the Barry Sheen bike that was done in the white colours. So this is a 250 tzr250 for anyone that doesn't know. Reverse cylinder bike. It's been brought to me from down country. The guy travelled 4.5 hours with this on the back of his Range Rover. And yeah, he wants me to give it a makeover, race replica makeover. The Barry Sheen Archive, as we said. So that mesh on top, I got some of that. That's to deal with some of the repairs on the bike, some cracked fairings. And what I'll do is I'll plastic weld them, and then that will go on the back to strengthen them up with a strong 2-pack glue. So the usual places they go is they crack around the mirrors. So this side is a bit worse. This side's going to need a bit more attention. My bike was exactly the same. My tzr250 Archive replica, it was exactly the same. It cracked there. It seems to be quite a weak spot on these near the mirrors. I think it's where the mirrors get caught and it pulls, and they end up getting cracked. So mine was the same, and I just plastic welded them and strengthened them up on the other side. So this is just a bare bike I've had brought to me. It's got no engine in it. The engine has gone away to be built somewhere else. No clocks on it or anything. So it's just a basic rolling chassis, which is all I need, so I can mock the panels up when I'm doing all the lines to paint. So yeah, it's quite a nice clean bike really. It's been cleaned and it's had a bit tidying up here and there. I think that was another mudguard I've had sent up. Obviously all the stickers are going to have to be removed. Any cracks done, any damage will have to be repaired, and all the panels will have to be in primer and then prepped up for paint. The wheels will need doing. So yeah, there's quite a bit to do on this job. I think they look lovely from the rear end, these bikes. They look fantastic with the exhaust hanging out the back. If you've seen my other videos, you would have seen videos of my bike. I actually need to do an updated video of mine, of the paintwork and the build and the repair work. I'll put a video together and I'll upload that soon. So if you're interested in following this project, if you'd just like to give it a like and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell and you'll get updates every time I upload some more progress on this project. I'm also going to start doing the GPZ 900 I've got as well. I'm going to start that project. I should have started it last year, but I've just not had the time. So I'll start doing that project as well. I've got it stripped down. It's just all the parts, they all need refurbishing, and then it needs reassembling the bike. The engine's going to need a load of work. The frame's going to need doing, all the plastics. It's going to be a big overhaul job on that bike. I'll start that project and I'll start doing some updates on that as well as soon as I start it. So that's the latest tzr250 Again, if you want to follow this project, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.